Brenda here with Roaming and Recording. We love the Loews brand of hotels. Having previously stayed at the South Beach location, this trip we wanted to try the Coral Gables. There are a few quirky things that stand out in this hotel that are a bit fascinating. The first strange thing you'll notice is across from the entrance there is a small home. At first glance you might think it's a part of the property, but in fact it is a private home where the owner refused to sell to the developer, so they built around him. The second quirky thing that might make you look twice is a huge statue by the renowned contemporary artist Brian Donnelly, aka KAWS. KAWS is known for his distinctive blend of pop culture and fine art, often characterized by his signature companion characters, a blend of cartoon and human forms. His monumental statues have become iconic installations globally, and you can see the $2 million installation as you dine al fresco on the patio. Love it or hate it, it's impressive to behold. The hotel offers many perks on the property. The $25 a night resort fee is inexpensive by many Florida hotel standards and includes 1 hour of bike rental, a professional photography session, an Uber credit, and much more. There are 3 dining venues. We dined at 2 of them. The first was the American Bar that was bustling and loud. We had a complimentary drink there and then moved to the outdoor patio of the American Kitchen. We enjoyed some small plates with a friend, pizza, grilled shrimp, and chicken wings. Since we booked through American Express Fine Hotels and Resorts, this meal was covered with our hotel room. We also had made-to-order breakfasts included in the morning at the same venue. They were hearty and healthy. Well, mine was healthy. There is also a quick grab-and-go place for coffee and muffins that we didn't try, but nice to have if you are on the go in the morning. We walked around the property. There are stores, a spa, a gym, and some new housing options connected to the walkways. The botanical features are lush and well-maintained. We also saw a few rooftop areas that were set up for special event use, so a very inclusive property for whatever you need. The pool area was on a higher floor, and for early April, not too busy. There is an outdoor bar with limited food options here and numerous lounge chairs. There are also cabanas for rent with bottle and food service should you want to splurge. Of special note for guests with disabilities, the pool and the hot tub had an ADA feature to help them get in and out of the pool safely. The entire property had ramps throughout, making it a good place for those needing them. We booked our room through American Express Fine Hotels and Resorts program. We did receive an upgraded room to a higher floor and early check-in. We received $100 food credit, 2 breakfasts, 2 complimentary cocktails, and chocolates in a room. We put the value of the food and beverages included at about $200, so this was a tremendous value. Let's look at the room. This is the Loews Coral Gable. This is room 1511. First we'll hit the restroom. And it's got a shower. Your amenities. Nice. Has a makeup mirror. Towels. I always look for towels now because one place we went, they forgot to bring us towels. You've got a big area over here, which is a wardrobe. Over here you've got a coffee and tea setup. And here is the room. So we got an upgrade to a higher floor, which was nice. I like this detail on the ceiling a lot. That's the lighting. And that's our view. So, there it is. And check out our view. It's the little house. What a fun and interesting stay. Now it was time to head to the Port of Miami to catch our transatlantic cruise. We used our $10 Uber credit, and the total cost out of pocket, including tip, was about $30. Now's the time I'd love to invite you to hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know what content you want to see in the future. We would recommend either of the Loews hotels for their service and value. Where do you like to stay in Miami? Let us know, and maybe we'll check it out in the future. Until next time, we hope you have many, many adventures.